How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make helical gears in Freecad. So the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through tools, click the add-on manager, and simply from here, you then want to go ahead and type gears. Click on the Freecad gears workbench and just make sure to click on the install button right here. Installing Freecad add-on, which is going to be the Freecad gears. Wait for it to finish. And it's essential to actually restart your Freecad right after installing the add-on. So from there, I'm just going to click on the workbench. You want to navigate through gears, which is going to be this one. And it's as easy as clicking the first tool that we have, which is going to be this helical gear right here. So just click on it, click on the gear once more, and then you could customize something like the number points. So maybe you could go ahead and decrease this into something like 10. You have your height, mode, the number of teeth. Let's go ahead and do something like 5, which will then look something like this, which is really weird. But simply from there, you have successfully created your helical gear. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.